Welcome to our video guide series on using Microsoft Power Automate. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to set up and use the Power Automate flow to send a WhatsApp template text message. This video guide will help you use Power Automate and take full advantage of WhatsApp's capabilities, whether you're already an avid user of Power Automate or just getting started with it. Let's start now. As a first step, open Microsoft Power Automate. Click on the Create button on the left side. Power Automate will show you all the options for creating a flow. In our case, we will create an instant cloud flow to demonstrate the functionality of Tintek connectors. Name your flow and select a trigger from the menu. A trigger is an event that starts a cloud flow. In our case, we will trigger a flow manually. Click the Create button. On this screen, we will build the entire flow step by step. Our trigger is already automatically filled, so it is up to us to set the next steps in our flow. Click on the Next Step button. Power Automate will show you a menu of action steps you can take. In this window, you can see all the steps you can do within the flow. Let's find the Tintek connectors and click on the WhatsApp connector. In this menu, you can see all the options that we offer. We have organized them logically to make the setup as simple and clear as possible. Find and select Send WhatsApp Template Text Message. If you are using Tintek connectors for the first time, you may be asked to enter your Tintek API key for the Power Automate environment. Fill in the connection name and your Tintek API key, then click the Create button. What you see is the WhatsApp template text message configuration form. Together, let's go through the various parameters that need to be filled in for successful results. The first parameters are from and to. These specify who is sending and receiving the message. Always enter the phone number with the international area code. Template ID is the name of your approved template from WhatsApp. If you use dynamic fields in your template, always make sure to use only text dynamic fields to send text messages. Template language specifies the language to use for the template, which must match the language code used in your WhatsApp template approved by WhatsApp. The language that is used for your template can be found in your WhatsApp template management. WhatsApp also provides a list of allowed languages on its site. Fill in the language code that matches your template. The header and body parts are used to fill your dynamic field. Depending on where you use your dynamic field, you fill in the content there. In our case, we are using a template with one dynamic field in the body of the message. The body type 1 specifies what format to fill in the dynamic field. We want to use a text field, so we fill in the text. In the body text 1 field, we fill in the content to be filled in the dynamic field. If you are using multiple dynamic fields, simply add more to the form and follow the same procedure. Great, everything is ready for the test. Save the template and let's test. Once your template is saved, we can test it. Click on the Test button and select Manual Testing. Keep an eye on your test phone. You should receive your template message on WhatsApp shortly. And that's it. You have just done the right setup of the WhatsApp template text message in the Microsoft Power Automate environment. See you in the next guide.